Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to be putting a mass airflow sensor in a 2011 Ford F-150 with a 3.5 EcoBoost. Location of the mass airflow sensor is in the top of the airbox cover, which is in the engine compartment driver's side. And you can see it right here, located as the air intake tube side. First step I'm going to do is disconnect the electrical connector, and there is a red tab underneath here. It's a safety latch tab. They make it a little difficult, but flathead screwdriver and just pop it, pull it back. Then you can squeeze the tab and disconnect the electrical. Once you have it out in the open so you can look at it, I like to look for damage. Any heat resistant, shorted wire will have a melted prong. Everything looks okay. The old tape being worn out, that's fine. So I'm going to just tuck that aside. And now I can take my mass airflow sensor out. And this is a Torx head, and we have a T20. T20 is what that's going to be. And you can undo the two mounting screws. And we can slide this mass airflow sensor right out. And there it is. You're going to reuse those mounting screws, so make sure you don't drop them or lose them. So that is part of the sensor. That takes a reading from the air temp. So here we have the one that I just pulled out, and here we have the one from 1A Auto. Look at that, same punch tab numbers. It's a little clue about maybe the same people make them. Nice safety latches, line up, proper connector. Let's install it. So I've got my two same mounting screws. As you can see, that tab, it can only be installed one way. You gotta be real careful not to drop it, because that would be a long time trying to find that. There you go. Now hold it firmly, flush. There was a nice little gasket in there too that keeps the weather out and any moisture. So now we can reinstall our connector. Push it in. It's locked. There we go. Push that red tab down. Don't forget, if you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.